The installation time is very quick. The installers don't really need to spare more than a day on the site.
It's easy to build, it's easy to learn. For example, it's like the stack system, like that you can put the batteries on stacks and that you don't have to configure it as much as possible.
The application is very easy to use, the commissioning is very standard, and the problem solving, we can get feedback right away.
The storage system is very easy now to install. The new 241 kWh storage.
Quite easy instructions for the installers and good support.
The plug-and-play battery is a perfect system to install, and the application is so intuitive.
The electrician has no problems to install it, it's very fast.
All the products are very easy to install between one on another. They are compatible.
The plug-and-play function between battery and the inverter.
Low failure, good technician and a good person.
Easy install, customer service very comfortable and fast to have feedback to any question.